In this video, we will discuss how to take care of your liver. The liver is one of the largest internal organs, and performs more than 500 functions in your body, like breakdown of fats, removal of toxins, fighting against infections. It sits on the right side of your belly, below the rib cage. The liver possesses the power to repair itself and regrow. But long-term and consistent damage may cause harm to your liver that cannot be repaired. Progression stages of the liver disease: inflammation of liver, fibrosis, scarring of tissues of liver. Cirrhosis of liver, end stage of liver disease. Liver cancer can occur in any stage of liver disease, but patients with cirrhotic liver are more at risk. Obesity, excessive alcohol consumption, viral hepatitis, and long-term use of certain medicines are the main causes of liver disease. Taking care of your liver requires avoiding causes that lead to liver disease and adopting a healthy lifestyle. Avoid obesity. Maintain healthy BMI. Obesity is one of the leading causes of liver disease. As per a study published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, it was found that 65% of obese people with a BMI above 30 had non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). It was approximately 85% in people with a BMI greater than 40. Maintain a healthy BMI, that is 18.5 to 24.9. Avoid sugary fast foods and beverages. Eat fiber-rich diet and seasonal fruits and vegetables. Limit alcohol consumption. Too much alcohol consumption may cause damage to the liver cells, which can lead to a fatty liver, scarring of the tissues, and later on, cirrhosis of the liver. Including exercise in the daily routine helps maintain liver health. Drink coffee, preferably black coffee without sugar. As per the report published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, Coffee and Liver Health, it was stated that consuming coffee on regular basis tends to reduce fat levels in the liver and helps in improving fibrosis and cirrhosis. Avoid self-use of medications. Certain medicines, like some OTC medicines, antitubercular medicines, or alternative medicines, can be harmful to your liver. Hepatitis B and C may lead to chronic liver disease, and are the main cause of cirrhosis of the liver. Avoid the risk of viral hepatitis infections. You can reduce the risk of hepatitis infections by avoiding contaminated food and water, not sharing toothbrushes, needles, and other personal items with others, engaging in safe sexual behavior. Observing precautions and adopting a healthy lifestyle help a lot in taking care of your liver, which assist your entire body to function at its optimum capacity and keep you healthy. Thank you for watching. Published solely for the purpose of raising awareness. To get notifications of our new videos, please subscribe to our channel.